Hey there, Laura here. I'm a product manager at Zenhub, and today I am excited to give you a quick tour of one of our latest features, the ability to see sprints on your Zenhub roadmap. So this feature can make planning easier than ever for your team. For one, it lets you see projects and epics relative to your team's actual cadence. So when planning, this lets your team set deadlines and timelines around your sprints and makes it easier to plan that work that'll get done each sprint. You can even set up automated sprints right on the roadmap, so you can see that bigger picture when you're planning your sprints. And then on top of that, this new feature also provides greater visibility for stakeholders who can now see the projects that your team is working on, as well as when your sprints start and end all in one place. So let's jump into Zenhub and let's see how sprints on the roadmap work. All right, so here we can see my roadmap with all of our upcoming projects and epics that we're working on. And of course, up here at the top, there we see our sprints. So this is our current sprint, as well as the upcoming sprints that we've got planned. As you can see, when I hover on it, I get a little bit more information about the sprint itself. So things like when it starts, when it ends, and how often it recurs. I can click into these three dots here, and I can just change all of the settings directly from the roadmap. So if I want to update the schedule or dates, I can even rename the sprint from this page. And of course, I can change the settings. So for example, if I don't want unfinished issues to automatically move into the next sprint, no problem, I can turn off that setting here. For some reason, a team member doesn't want to see the sprints on that roadmap. Of course, they can turn off that view. It's at the individual level, so you just toggle it off in the settings there. And for teams that don't have sprints set up, instead of seeing the sprints at the top here, you'll have a little prompt to set up automated sprints for your team. Simple to do, just a couple of clicks and you're all set to go. Okay, and that is it for today. This feature is available now, so go ahead and check it out for yourself on the Zenhub roadmap. And of course, we'd love to hear from you, so feel free to reach out with any questions or feedback. Thanks.